Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson, and it is freaking early out. I'm jumping on a plane. Got a really important meeting this afternoon. I'm excited. Follow along. Well, we're at the airport now. It's time to jump on one of these buses and head over to our flight. Wonder where I'm going yet? It's early.
Por mandato de la Administración de Seguridad de Transporte están actualmente en vigor.
Well, if you haven't figured it out by now, I am in Texas. So my partner down here and I just wholesaled our first deal, and the man that we wholesaled it to is Mr. Scott Horne, along with some other partners, Mr. Moniz Saza. But Scott wanted to take us out to dinner, take us out to lunch. So I flew down for the day. When an opportunity like this comes up, you got to capitalize on it and see how lunch goes. Just finished up our lunch meeting with my partner Rob and Scott and Susan. Awesome lunch, phenomenal people. They're just amazing, want to help. So I think we're going to be doing some more business together. We ate lunch right next to this place, so I had to do a little shopping before I have to get back on the flight and head home. Take care, have a great day, talk to you soon.